your attention now, viewers. After Ajit Pawar's untimely demise, the Baramati seat has now come under the spotlight, with the NCP sources telling Times Now that Sunetra Pawar may contest the upcoming by-poll. The party is also considering Ajit Pawar's close aide, Naresh Arora, in a meeting with Sunetra Pawar that's expected very soon. So what happens next? There are multiple political questions that remain. My colleague Arunil Saridekar joins us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, what next?
Well, Pratibha, it seems like both factions of the NCP are in a huddle now. Developments happening thick and fast. Naresh Arora, one of the main consultants of Ajit Pawar, has reached Baramati to have a meeting with Sunetra Pawar, the wife of late Ajit Pawar. We also understand that it is, in all likelihood, there is a big possibility that Sunetra Pawar is expected to replace Ajit Pawar as the Deputy CM of Maharashtra. Further discussions on two of the key portfolios that Ajit Pawar held. One was finance portfolio as well as excise portfolio. Discussion and decision on that is still on the cards. It has still not come. In Mumbai as well, three leaders from the Ajit Pawar camp: Sunil Tatkare, who's the working president, then Praful Patel, who's the national president, as well as Chhagan Bhujbal, who's the OBC Neta of Ajit Pawar camp. They went to Varsha, which is the residence of CM Devendra Fadnavis. So a key meeting at CM's house has also been called in. With respect to NCP Sharad Pawar camp is concerned, there are many leaders from NCP Sharad Pawar camp, namely Anil Deshmukh, Rajesh Tope, all have been senior netas and former mantris. They have been saying that Ajit Pawar was in favor of the reunion of the NCP. He had spoken about it in the recent times as well, and it was on the cards. And it seems like NCP SP, that is Sharad Pawar camp, is in the favor of the reunion. Now, whether they will join the Mahayuti government, what decision Sharad Pawar is going to take, because he's always followed a secular kind of a Congress-style politics throughout his career. Is he okay with joining hands with the BJP? All these decisions and conundrum, answers to that we'll be giving to our viewers very soon.
Okay, all right. Arunil, do stay with us. In fact, we're also told that the Maharashtra cabinet reshuffle is also likely after the untimely death, with 5 key portfolios, including finance and planning, also now lying vacant. As power sharing talks are intensifying, the NCP, we are told, has also begun negotiations in this regard.